Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work of comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a face-off between the Eufy RoboVac 11S and the Tikom robot vacuum and mop. On the left, we have the sleek and stealthy Eufy, and on the right, the feature-packed Tikom. Let's see which one really sucks, in a good way. First up, let's talk about price. The Eufy RoboVac 11S comes in at a wallet-friendly $229. That's like 229 trips to the dollar store. On the other hand, the Tikom vacuum and mop is a bit more aspirational at $399. For that price, it better vacuum, mop, and maybe even do my taxes. Now, navigation. The Tikom boasts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It creates maps, stores up to 5 maps, and has systematic path planning. Meanwhile, Eufy, well, it's kind of like your drunk uncle at Thanksgiving. It'll get the job done, but it might bump into a few things along the way. Suction power is next, and Tikom comes in hot with 3,000 pascals strong suction. It's like the Hercules of vacuums, sucking up everything in its path. Eufy, on the other hand, is more like the Clark Kent of vacuums, mild-mannered but still pretty effective at 1,300 pascals. According to Amazon reviewers, Eufy does a great job with pet hair and is particularly effective on light-colored carpets, though it struggles with dark surfaces. Tikom, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful suction and ability to handle both hardwood floors and carpets effortlessly. Tikom has a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature, which means it can sweep and mop simultaneously. It even has 3 levels of water output. Eufy? Well, Eufy doesn't mop. So if you want a floor that's both vacuumed and mopped, Tikom's got your back. Eufy's more like, I vacuum, you mop. Amazon reviewers love Tikom's mopping feature, noting its convenience and efficiency. Battery life. Tikom claims a whopping 150 minutes on quiet mode. That's like binge watching an entire season of your favorite show while it cleans. Eufy offers about 100 minutes, which is still decent. Enough for an episode and a half of a drama series. Reviewers appreciate Eufy's battery life for smaller cleaning tasks, but praise Tikom's extended runtime for larger areas and multi-story homes. Smart features. Tikom is like the tech nerd who knows everything. It's got app control, voice control with Alexa and Google Home, and even sets up 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls. Eufy, on the other hand, is more like your grandpa who just learned how to text. It comes with a remote control and no smart features. Reviewers highlight Tikom's smart features as a major plus, making it a user-friendly and convenient option. Amazon reviewers generally appreciate the Eufy RoboVac 11S for its affordability and effectiveness, particularly in homes with pets. However, it has some limitations like getting stuck and missing spots occasionally. On the other hand, the Tikom robot vacuum and mop is praised for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and multifunctional capabilities. It's considered a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for larger and more complex cleaning needs. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly vacuum that gets the basics done, Eufy RoboVac 11S is your go-to. But if you want a vacuum that's packed with features, smarter than your average teenager, and can also mop your floors, then Tikom is the way to go. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which vacuum you think wins this battle. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.